What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie McQueen. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest and fastest stain remover for your rugs and carpet. You're just going to need this magic ingredient, which is shaving cream. You can get this from the dollar store, but you just want to spray the shaving cream pretty generously on your rug or your carpet, wherever the stain is. Of course, test a small area first, which I already did on this. It wasn't as white as it is at the bottom, but it needs some work. This thing is filthy. This is my favorite rug during Christmas time, but yeah, it just looks gross. I have even tried washing it in the washer and doing stain removers, and nothing works. So once you spray the shaving cream on the stain, you just want to rub it in real good. I'm using a wet microfiber cloth, and then I'm going to be going in with a toothbrush just to scrub it a little better and really get the shaving cream into the fibers. Honestly, this stuff works almost instantly. You can kind of already tell that the bottom looks a lot whiter. Now, depending on how bad your stain is, you can spray this before you go to bed on the stain and let it sit overnight and then clean it up in the morning. But just for purposes of the video, I'm cleaning it all right now and really not even letting it sit at all, just to show you how good it works without even letting it sit overnight. After you've scrubbed it real good with your toothbrush or whatever brush you use, then you want to take a wet microfiber cloth and wipe it off. One thing I love about using the shaving cream as a stain remover is it smells really good and it leaves a long-lasting fresh scent. I have also cleaned my whole bathroom with shaving cream, and I will put that video above so you guys can go watch that, because it is also a miracle cleaner in the bathroom as well. This is so amazing. I feel like my rug is coming back to life. Here is the final result. It looks so much better. I could only imagine what it would look like if I left it overnight. But that is all that I have for you guys in this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe if you're new to my channel. And if you try this cleaning trick, leave me some comments below. See you in the next one. Bye.